Hi everybody, it's Madison here with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we're going to be learning the bar version of Country Girl Stomp. Now this is similar to the step sheet, but with just a little bit extra. This is considered an improver level dance, 32 count, 4 walls, and no tags, no restarts. Once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's go have some fun. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started with that first set of 8 counts for the bar version of Country Girl Stomp. I'm going to turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. Our first set of 8 counts, we're starting with the weight on the left. We're going to stomp that right boot out, we're going to hold, and then we're going to shake. Now this is where you get to have fun with it. You can shake it a little or you can shake it a lot. I'll leave that up to you. Then we're going to do a weave step. We're going to step behind with the left, out with the right, cross with the left. Then we're going to do that same pattern. We're going to stomp with the right, we're going to hold, you're going to shake, and we're going to do that weave step again. Behind, side, cross. All right, let's go ahead and put some counts with that. We'll take it slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stomp 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get into that second set of 8 counts. We just finished that weave step. Our left is crossed over our right. We're going to do a mambo step on the right. We're going to step out with the right, recover on the left, bring it together with the right. We're going to then mambo on the left. We're going to step out with the left, recover on the right, bring it together with the left. Then we're going to take 2 steps back. We're going to step back on the right. We're going to step back on the left. Then we're going to do a side rock recover cross. We're going to step out with the right, recover with the left, cross with the right. That is our second set of 8 counts. Let's go ahead and try it with the counts now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mambo 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, cross 8. All right guys, let's go ahead and put it all together, those first 2 set of 8 counts. Here we go. Remember, we're starting with that stomp and hold. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp 1, hold 2, 3 and 4. Stomp 5, 6, 7, and 8. Mambo 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, cross 8. All right, everybody, we're moving on to that third set of 8 count. Now this is where you get to have some fun with it. This is where the step sheet version and the bar version are different, and we will point out those differences for you. There's lots of different ways you can do this dance. At the end of the day, it's just about having fun. All right, let's get into it. So we just finished our cross, rock, recover. We're gonna take a step with the left. We're gonna quarter turn hitch. We're going to triple step over our right shoulder. Right, left, right. Now it's very important that you use the 12 o'clock wall or whatever wall you're facing as a reference point, because you need to turn all the way back to that wall. After this, we're going to take another step with the left. You're going to do a little flick with that right boot, and then you're going to shuffle quarter turn over that right for right, left, right. I know, fancy footwork, but it is a lot of fun. Let's try that with some counts. Our right is crossed over our left. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, hitch 2. Turn 3 and 4. Step 5, flick 6, 7, and 8. Let's go ahead and do the first 24 counts. Don't forget, we're starting with the stomp. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stomp 5, 6, 7, and 8. Mambo 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, hitch 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, flick 6, 7, and 8. All right, guys, we're almost there. You have one set of 8 counts left. Now, this is where there is a variation between the step sheet and the bar version. I'm gonna face the front so you can see what my boots are doing, and then we'll do it on the correct wall. Okay, so we just finished our shuffle step, our right, left, right. Our weight is gonna be on that right boot. We're gonna do a rocking chair forward. We're gonna rock forward on the left. We're gonna recover on the right. We're gonna step back on the left, recover on the right. After this, we're gonna do a full turn and a quarter over our right shoulder. Left, right, left, hold. Now let's do it with some counts. We're gonna rock 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Let's go ahead and try that on the correct wall, because this is the wall we'll be facing after we do wall 1. We're gonna rock forward, back, back, forward, step, turn, hold. And when we come out of that turn, we want our weight on the left because we're gonna need that right boot to stomp. Let's try it with some counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, back 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Okay guys, you made it. You made it to the end of Country Girl Stomp, the bar version. Let's go ahead and turn around. Don't forget to start with that stomp. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stomp 5, 6, 7, and 8. Mambo 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, hitch 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome job, you guys. You did it. I really hope you like that version, but the best part is you get to decide. If you're ready to stomp it out, click the video and I'll see you there.